Good morning. My name is Juan Joncina. I am the sales manager and project manager from Favemanc brand. And here we are in the marvelous city of Chisinau, the capital of Moldova. And we are visiting the construction site that we are developing here. We are installing our ventilated facade systems that provides to the main building the best acoustic and thermal insulation, and at the same time provide to the whole building a really good safety performance for the whole building. Also, I would like to emphasize that this building is under the European regulations and accomplished within the standard of the European Community for Construction Worksite.